How to activate Bank of America credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Bank of America credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, simply search for Activate Bank of America credit card. So let's search for Activate Bank of America credit card. After you search for that, you'll find different websites here, different links for the very same websites. Tap on this activating your credit card, or simply head over to activate your credit card. So the simplest way to activate your credit card is by logging in into your online banking. So as you can see here, the quickest way to activate is by just logging in into your banking ID and password into your online banking, and they will confirm your identity and verify your card. And that's basically how you do this. Simply tap on sign in here, hit your user ID and then your password, and then tap on login. After you do that, you will be logged in and they will start with your verification process and activate your card. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye. Take care.